Hey guys, welcome to another reaction video. This is going to be my first ever reaction to some of DevilArtemis's videos. I became a fan of DevilArtemis thanks to Kagi Films. I love Kagi. His videos are hilarious. He does a lot of Dragon Ball Z content, and like I am a huge Dragon Ball Z fan, and so like he does like the Let's Plays. He does the all kinds of reaction videos of DevilArtemis's work, and he also collabs with him. So I'm gonna be reacting to 3 of DevilArtemis's videos that I haven't seen yet. There's 2 other ones I haven't seen, but I'm gonna save those for another time. But the link will be in the description for the 3 videos, and let's check them out. The first video is called Perfect Cell vs. DU Part 1. Check this out. Right, come on.
So you're just gonna give
Kermit!
Are you kidding me? Look around, alright? We're in the middle of nowhere. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, not to mention that it's freezing. I mean, if we're cold, we could always, hold each other.
Sounds right. Why does eyes look so big in that one?
If I were to hug you, I'd be arrested for shanking you with my nipples. Okay, so
what?
I understand that was a cold joke, but you have no nipples. I know, Kermit. My point is that I don't want to hug. I'd rather embrace death at this point.
Or perhaps I could help, but...
What the?
You seem lost, cold, and hungry. What a coincidence. So am I.
Does he realize that we don't have food? Kermit, I think he means that we are the food. You monster! Like hell we'd let you eat us.
You monster! The world, what? Oh boy. It's a Kermit?
Where did Kermit go?
What's he say?
Whoa! Kermit, you're back! Yes, I am. And my fucking legs are broken.
Man!
What the hell happened? I don't know. It must be this guy's special powers.
My legs are broken. He doesn't even know what's going on.
Stand.
He broke up his legs.
Buy one of those off eBay? Oh yeah, we got the stand arrow. All right, let's
What?
even the odds then. Your stand versus mine.
Oh my god.
Haha, that's right.
So's face.
Baby, here we go.
His reactions are hilarious. No. Oh my gosh. Is that it? Is that really it? Okay, that was really it. Oh jeez, that was funny. Oh man. DevilArtemis is a great impersonation of Perfect Cell. That was hilarious. Oh jeez. There's a lot of animes I miss out on, and I wish I had time to catch up on some of them, but I'm busy with I'm busy at times with work and streaming. But that's a conversation for another time. To the next video. Okay, so the next one is called Perfect Cell versus Call of Duty Zombies. This is gonna be interesting. Also, I'm gonna leave the camera in my picture right here. That way, in case it's more subtitles.
Okay, so what round are we on? Round 69. Now is
Oh my gosh, freaking Zarbon.
Oh shit.
What is going on?
Alright, there shouldn't be too many left, Zarbon. Cell, I'm out of ammo.
Oh,
I just blew my last load.
Jeez.
Clip? That too. Well, you're in luck. That's the last zombie, and he seems
Oh
to be
my god.
So listen to me.
No.
Don't kill him. We'll hit the mystery box, get new guns, and bam, problem solved. Got it. All right,
Oh
let's
my
hit
gosh.
this mystery box, baby. Come on.
What do you got? What do you got?
Come on, Ray.
No.
Come on. What was that? So, I may or may not have accidentally killed the last zombie.
Oh my gosh.
God damn it, Zarbon!
Music sent from the darkness. Oh, that was it. That was good though. I can't recall. Does DevilArtemis also? Yeah, I think he does. Yeah, he does Zarbon impersonation of Zarbon. He does a lot of them. He does I think he does Cell, Zarbon, because he does the Super Friends. He has his own little thing on his channel, and I I believe he also does Frieza. I know he does Roshi. Yeah, he does. I think he does all of them. Like, which is pretty impressive. He does a really good job. Oh, but that was funny. I freaking freaking Zarbon. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I guess for those of you who haven't noticed, DevilArtemis' content isn't really for younger viewers. Oh, jeez. On to the next one. Okay. I know this one came out before the other two, but I wanted to save this one for last. Yeah, this is Perfect Cell versus Del Hermano Part 3. And I'm saving this one. I was saving this one for last only because, I mean, Part 2 ended with Cell going Ultra Instinct. So this is going to be interesting. Okay. Last time. All right, Ogana Knuckles.
Yes. Yes, Knuckles.
Oh.
I do know the way.
Do you know the way?
This is truly the
way. Oh my gosh, that is funny. How did that even come pop? So pop. What a fool. DevilArtemis is really good on the animations of these. It looks so good. No lie. I wish I could do stuff like this. And the music. Hell yeah. Oh, Cell's pissed. Woo! Oh, Knuckles still there on the floor. I wonder if he's actually gonna have Ogana Knuckles be dead and he's done with him, like making videos of having Ogana Knuckles be there. I don't know if you can hear me because how loud the music was. And now, change of color will not help you. Oh! Oh! I wasn't sure if this was gonna be an actual fight or not. Incredible, your max power. Let's get serious. Oh, he just slapped his punch out of the way. Oh my god, that is great that he did that. Did he just kill him like that, or?
What was it that you told me before? Beg for your life?
Oh, dang. Dang.
Let's see you do the same. No.
Dang. No, please, no. Interesting. It's a different take on a Kamehameha, but... Dang. Dying in Spanish. Dang. Oh man, that was it. Dang, that was good. I am glad I saved that one for last. I feel like that one was probably one of his more serious kind of Cell versus. That was good. I enjoyed that tremendously. Yeah, oh man. Yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, like of my recording, I came across DevilArtemis thanks to Kagi Films. Like I said, I pointed out before, I'm a fan of Kagi. I'm a fan of Kagi Films and the stuff that he comes out with. And I ended up becoming a fan of DevilArtemis after watching some of Kagi Films' reactions to him. And then even Kagi ended up becoming good friends with DevilArtemis, and they ended up collaborating with videos together. They play in like they play games against each other too. They collaborate with each other, which is cool. It's very cool to see that. You know, like it's very cool to see how like certain like YouTubers, how they have a similar thing in common, that like they become friends and they collaborate and make even better videos for both their channels like that. You know, they help each other out, but like even they become really good friends, and I think that's awesome. And especially, I don't know if I would have ever found out about DevilArtemis if it wasn't for Kagi. You know, that was great. Like I said, I am a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. That was good. That was good. I absolutely love that. Okay, I'm gonna point out again, some of DevilArtemis' like videos are for a more mature audience, because he throws little innuendos you know. But they're hilarious. I find them entertaining. They're funny. They're great. Oh man. Yeah, his animations are really good. His facial reactions he does with Cell's face is hilarious. The first one with Cell, when Cell fought against Dio in part 1, I don't know if it might have been my phone or like it looked like his eyes were glitching or like were flickering a bit, or I don't know if it was my phone or if it was actually this video, but either way, I enjoyed it. That was great. Oh, in case of those of you that don't know, DevilArtemis is a good impersonation of Kermit the Frog. Yeah, Sal and Kermit, they're like best friends. Oh man, that was great. Link will be in the description down below for DevilArtemis' channel, and links will be in the description down below for the videos I reacted to. Go check out DevilArtemis. He's great. I absolutely love his stuff. They're funny. As I mentioned before, DevilArtemis does like a little thing called Dragon Ball Super Friends, where it's like Sal, Frieza, Goku Black, Zarbon, Master Roshi, and they have Cell Jr. as well. They live in a house together. It's like a little thing on the side. Like he had his own little series like that, just like a little thing. And he's also doing now Saiyan's Island. He's already had part 1 and 2 out, or episodes 1 and 2, I believe. And I'm gonna wait until part 3 or episode 3. I'm gonna wait until the third one comes out, and that way I'll react to all 3. So I'll do that one in the near future. But that was great. I loved it. That was hilarious. Like I said, go support DevilArtemis. He was funny. The stuff he comes out with. But I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Like, favorite, and subscribe. Until the next one, guys. Bye.